Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another amazing episode with Chillin' with Toya. Now, in today's episode, it's going to be super fast and easy. I'm going to show you how I bake my Jamaican breadfruit right in my oven. Now, this is an extreme versatile fruit, can be prepared and eaten in all stages of development and maturity, whether it's ripe as a fruit or mature as a vegetable. It is awesome. In Jamaica, we boil the breadfruit, we bake the breadfruit, we roast the breadfruit, not to mention making breadfruit punch. So if you guys want to see how I make my breadfruit punch, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box so I can definitely see. Now, think of breadfruit as a tropical potato. It tastes fantastic mashed in salads, made into french fries and chips, and in countless other dishes where you can actually use potato. Except it's more nutritious than potatoes. Now, enough of me bragging about breadfruit and potato. Let's jump right into the video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and like the video, share the video, tell your friends about Chilling with Toya. Thank you so much.